This is how you're going to deploy Base44 app on Google Cloud. First, in the Base44 editor, we're just going to click on the export icon and then select export to GitHub, or you can just click on this GitHub icon right here at the top. You're going to connect it via GitHub. Now, you can just export it once you have it connected, but you will have to upgrade your plan first. Make sure that you're subscribed to a paid plan instead of the free trial or a free version. And then after that, you're just going to head to Google Cloud Console. We're just going to go to the home or the dashboard page. And then from the dashboard, you're going to create a new Cloud Run service. Now, if you can't find Cloud Run from the dashboard, you can just search it from the search bar up here. And then from there, you're just going to click on Cloud Run. Now, from the Cloud Run, you are going to connect your GitHub repository. I'm going to show you how you can do that. You will see this Cloud Run right here. We're going to click on Connect Repository right here. And then from there, we're just going to we're going to set up the cloud build, or we can also do developer connect, or we're going to have to connect our GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket repositories, or anything that is sourced from GitHub. You can do that. You can just click on setup with developer contract right here. And then from there, we're going to source the repository. We're going to enter the repository right here. We can link a new one, and then here we just have to build the configuration. We're just gonna have to deploy the image to Cloud Run to get our live URL. And then after that, after we have connected everything, we can just click on save right here. And then there we're going to add a service name for the configuration, and then you're gonna have to toggle on all of these details. You're just going to choose whatever applies the best for you, and that's it. That is how you're going to deploy Base44 app on Google Cloud. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.